Alright, degenerates and degenerates. Today we're going to be working on Will the RO's cold start drill. It's 30 rounds in total. We'll be using 3 magazines, 10 rounds per magazine. And the focus is going to be on fundamentals. It's a nice winter day out here in Pawnee National Grasslands out here in northern Colorado. Beautiful, 44 degrees, not too windy. It's a little overcast. It is pretty cloudy out here, but other than that, it's going to be a pretty good day. We're going to get this cold start drill started and see how this goes. This is straight up, no warm-ups, just straight into the drills, 5 yards, 7 yards, 10 yards. We're going to do it a little different than what he did. On our 5 yards, we're going to do draw in 2 rounds, focus on speed and accuracy. And then we're going to move to 7 rounds, or 7 yards, and we're going to focus on our trigger pull and sight picture. We're going to go a lot slower on that one. We're going to draw, fire 5 rounds, holster, draw, fire 5 rounds. After that, we're going to move to the 10 yards. What we're going to do at 10 yards is going to be all on accuracy. So it's going to be very slow. All right, so that's our cold start drill. All rounds on target at 5 yards. Had a miss at the 7 yards, recollected. Rest of the rounds on target. 10 yards, we also had a miss, recollected. The rest of the rounds on target. Great drill to start the day. Now that the drill's over, let's jam out to some music and have some fun and get some shooting going.
You know the first rule of combat?
Huh?
Shoot them before they shoot you.